Hello, Product Hunt. I'm Achisman, and I'm here today to give you a quick walkthrough of Morning. Morning is a simple Chrome extension that categorizes the events on your calendar and shows you where you're spending your time. So, what you're seeing right now is my calendar, and I'll quickly switch on Morning. And what is happening right now is Morning is trying to understand the events on my calendar and give me a sense that, okay, where I'm spending my time. So, my events has been color coded and categorized. These are the major buckets. Planning is the time that you set aside to figure out what are you going to work on in the future. Execution is the time for doing the actual work. If you are an engineer, this is the time when you write the code. If you are a product manager, this is the time when you are doing brainstorming or writing specs. Review is the time when you are reviewing someone else's work. People management is about mentorship, is about interviews. Town hall are company wide events, and then you have the rest of the events on your calendar. Now, this is the first version of the product, right? And it is not perfect. For instance, here I can see an event where I had set aside time to reply to the reviews we are getting on Web Store. And for whatever reasons, Morning has categorized this as review, which is incorrect. So I'll quickly go over here and change it to execution. And it's updated, right? Now, one little way in which I use Morning is that you can get a sense that, okay, week on week, how the time that you're spending is changing across different buckets. For instance, for myself, right? If I go a week back, I can see that I spent a little less time on execution and a little more time on people management because I was doing interviews. Now, this is interesting, right? And if I go a further week back, right, which is the last week of December, I can see that, okay, I spent very less time on planning and I over indexed on execution. And this was intentional because this was the time when all of us got together and we were trying to ship the first version of the product. Now, how and where you are spending your time is going to be very contextual to you. What you can do is with Morning, hopefully get a sense that, okay, where you are spending your time, and then take the call that is it looking right or is there something that you need to change. So please go ahead and download Morning from the Chrome Web Store and let us know how it's working out for you. Thank you.